Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mathrik. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new updates. And today's lesson we are looking at the vectors. This question was extracted from one of the exams paper, which is the 2017 October/November exam. And the question reads, in the diagram below, OP is equal to 2 small letter p, comma, OQ is equal to 4q, and the px to qx is equal to 1 to 2. And here we are asked to express in terms of p and q. We are asked to find the vector pq. For a is pq and for b is px, for x, and for Roman numeral 2, given that OC is equal to OC is equal to HOX, vector OX. Show that CQ is equal to 4, open brackets, 1 minus H over 3, close, then Q minus 4H over 3, P. So let's find the solution. The solution of A, which is we are asked to find the PQ. This is the PQ. So let's find PQ. PQ is equal to PO plus OQ. PO, vector PO plus OQ. As you can see, the common letters, it is the OO. Then we have vector PQ. So let's substitute now. For PO, we have 2P and we are moving in the different direction. So it will be minus 2P plus 4Q. Then let's write it in the positive form. Then it will be 4Q minus 2P. Then let's factorize. Here what's common, it is 2. So 2 outside. Then 2 into 4Q, we remain with the 2Q minus P. So this is the answer for PQ. PX, this is number B. PX, we are asked to find it. So PX is and we are given the ratio is PX, it is 1 here, then here 2. So all line it is 3. So it is going to be 1 out of 3 PQ. So it's going to be 1 out of 3 PQ. And we have already found the value of PQ. So it will be PX, vector PX equals 1 over 3, open brackets. Then where there's P, vector PQ, we have this value. Then here, let's take this at this stage. Then it will be 4Q minus 2P in the brackets. Then let's expand now. When we expand, we are going to have 4 over 3Q minus, when we multiply 1 times 2, it is going to be 2P over 3. So if you want here, you can factorize, then it will be, what's common here is 4 over 3. So we are going to have 4 over 3 outside, then Q minus P. We cross. It is OX. We asked to find the value of the vector OX. So we have to go OP plus PX. So we have to go OP vector OP plus PX, vector PX. So we are asked to find OX. OX, it is OP plus PX. OP, we have this one 2P. Where is the OP? We have 2Q. 2P here. Then plus, where is PX? Where is PX? We have 4Q over 3 minus 2P over 3. Then let's simplify this one. Then this here it will be, let's correct the right term. So it will be 2P over 1. Then this one it will be minus 2P over 3 plus 4Q over 3. Then here, what's common? It is the common denominator is 3. Then we are going to have 1 into 3, it is 3. 3 times 2P, we are going to have 6P. Then minus 3 into 3, 1. 1 times this one, it will be 2P plus 4Q over 3. 6P minus 2P, we are going to have 4P over 3 plus 4Q over 3. This is the answer for OX. So now let's try to prove, given that OC is equal to H can be any scalar, vector OX, then show that CQ is equal to 4 open bracket 1 minus H over 3 close Q minus 4H over 3 P. Let's find OC. OC here. H open bracket OX we have found that it is 4P over 3 plus 4Q over 3. The rest multiply throughout by H, then it will be 4PH over 3 plus, when we multiply here, 4 times H times 4Q over 3, then it will be 4QH over 3. Then let's find the CQ now. CQ, we are told that CQ here. CQ, so it's easy. CO plus OQ. So it is CO plus O plus OQ. And here it will be, because we are moving at different directions, so it will be OC, it is negative. So it will be minus C, open bracket, where we have OC, it is this one, so it's going to be 4P H over 3 plus 4Q H over 3, then close, plus OQ we are told that it is OQ it is 4Q, it is 4Q. This negative here, when we multiply negative, it will be negative 4ph over 3. Negative times positive, which is negative 4qh over 3 plus 4 plus 4q. We are going to start with the 4q minus 4qh over 3 minus 4ph over 3. So here, let's start. Here, what is common? It is 4. So we are going to have 4 outside. 4 outside. 4 into this one. We are going to have 1 here. Minus h over 3. Cross. Then q, it will be outside here. That's a way of representing vectors. Then minus, as you can see, q is the, so it's going to appear here. So this one we take it the way it is. So it will be 4h over 3p. So that's the final answer.